Onda OBook 20 Plus Tablet PC. 10.1 inch is a perfect tablet PC for your daily use. Equipped with a 10.1-inch 1920x1200 IPS touchscreen. Brings your photos and videos to life. Windows 10 Home version, Android 5.1 Quad-Core OS. Ensures you more wonderful user experience. Onda OBook 20 Plus Tablet PC powered by Intel Z8300 Quad-Core processor. Offers you smooth operation and stable multitasking experience. 2.0 megapixel camera for capturing memorable moments and high-quality pictures in daily life. Featuring Intel HD graphics Gen 8 GPU. All of this give gamers a full suite for gaming dominance. And offer gamers a truly seamless gaming experience. Dual band 2.4 GHz 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi supported, ensures you high-speed surfing.